Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Sir Muhammad Abu Yunus. In previous lecture, we covered the basic definition of a function, the main components of a function, and the limitation or constraints in a function. So quickly recap these topics. For the definition of a function, we consider two sets, set A and set B. In set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3. In set B, the elements are 4, 5, 6. How to relate these sets? 1 map to 4, 2 map to 5, and 3 map to 6. So these type of mapping is known as a function. And the most important point, you should remember that function has a unique image. Function has a unique image, means the relation between two sets has a unique. So this is the definition of a function. Okay, if we consider a classical Cartesian plan, that is x-axis and y-axis, and plot a graph, a curve. So is that graph really a function or not? How to determine it? We simply, the values of x-axis relate to the y-axis. If each value of x-axis is a unique image, so it is definitely a function. In the given example, we saw that each values of x-axis has a unique image. It means so this graph is a functional graph. So it's all about the previous lecture. Now we start exercise 9.1, and in this exercise almost 17 questions have to be done. But I picked the question number 9 because most of the concepts will understand by doing this question. So in question number 9, what's the information we have to given? We see that a diagram has to given, and in this diagram numbers, lines, arrows all present there. हम कैसे इस क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे? See that arrow started from the 2 and ends up to 17, and similarly arrow started from 3 and ends up to 23. It means the left side is a domain and the right side is a range, or maybe say image. Means 2 map to 17, 3 map to 23, and all we always is ax plus b over x. This is a processor, this is a function we have already given in this question. This question we have to find the values of a and b and the image of one under this mapping. All about the information we have to give in question number 9. Now we start solving this. So first of all, we write a function which already given this in this question. Function of x is equal to ax plus b over x. First of all, we calculate the value of x is equal to 3. In a given function, ax plus b over x, we replace x from 3. So we take an LCM, that is 3, and 3 multiplied by 3, 9a plus b over 3, and then 3 shift to the left side, that is 69 is equal to 9a plus b. This is equation number 1. And then take an LCM, that is 2 times 2 is equal to 4a plus b over 2, and then shift to the left side, means 17 multiplied by 2, that is 34, and 34 is equal to 4a plus b, that is the equation number 2. So now we subtracting both equations to get the value of a. We already know we have to change the sign of the second equation. So b cancel out, so both b's are cancel out. The remaining one is 35 is equal to 5a. Then we further solve to get the final answer, that is a is equal to 7. Okay, now we calculate the value of b. For the value of b, we randomly consider both equations, but I picked the equation number 2. Okay, put a is equal to 7, so the 34 is equal to 4 times 7 plus b. and then 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 28 shift to the left side and subtract both the values and get the final answer, that is B6. So these are the values we have to find out in this question. Now we solve the second part, B part, and in B part we have to find the image of 1 under this mapping, under this similar mapping. For part B, we consider a function which already given in this question, function of x is equal to ax plus b over x. We put all known values, that is a, b and x. A is equal to 7, b is equal to 6 and x is equal to 1. Putting all known values, we calculate the image of 1 and the final answer is 13. It's all about question number 9. I hope you understand it. आपसे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मुलाकात होती है, जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.